Good morning to all of you MSc Physics second year student. So today again welcome to lecture series on energy study first subject, and we want to continue our third chapter, which is basics of the heat transfer, and we want to continue our point, which is the types of the heat transfer. And already in last lecture finish first type, which is conduction or heat transfer by the conduction. Now in this lecture we want to start our next point, which is the heat transfer by the radiation, and we have to know that idea. So what is the process of the radiation, and how heat transfer with the help of radiation, and what is the fact of the wavelength, and what is mean by the radiant energy, and what is the relation. So that point which is covered in this lecture. So actually we have to first understand that what is mean by radiation. So that radiation is the process by which heat flows from the body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature, when the body which is separated in space, or which is considered in even the space, or which is considered as the vacuum, and that exists between them. So that process, that is the temperature, or that is heat which is flowing from high body temperature to the low body temperature, and that process which is known as the radiation. And this term radiation, which is generally applied to all kinds of the electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic wave phenomena, and this heat from only those phenomena are there the result of temperature, and can transport energy through medium, such as medium considered as the air medium or space are the interest, and that energy transmitted in this fashion, that energy which is considered as the radiant heat. So this is the basic phenomena or basic idea which is considered as known as the radiation. So we have to see here that radiation is a process by which the radiation the radiation is a process is a process by which is a process by which the heat can flow the heat flow from heat flows from body at higher temperature to a from body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature to a body at lower temperature. And when these bodies are separated in a space, when these bodies are separated in a space, or in a vacuum, or in a vacuum, so this temperature, or this even in a vacuum, that is the exist between them, vacuum exist between them. So this process of transfer temperature from one body to another body, so that is hot body to colder body, or whatever temperature range, so that process is known as the radiation process, and the term radiation is generally applied to all kinds of electromagnetic waves. the term radiation is the term radiation is the term radiation is applied to the all kinds of electromagnetic wave, all kinds of electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic waves. Okay, so if we consider that energy transmitted in this electromagnetic wave fashion, so that energy which is nothing but the radiant heat, and radiation is a mode of heat transfer by which sun transfer energy to the earth, sun transfer to energy earth, or that is the radiation is the mode of. So that consider the radiation is the mode of radiation is the mode of heat transfer by which heat transfer by which heat transfer by which sun transfer energy to the earth, sun transfers energy to the earth, and if we consider that sun transfer energy to the earth, and that quantity of the energy that living surface, that in terms of the radiant energy, or this surface radiant heat which depends upon the absolute temperature of the body, and that nature of this surface, or which is considered as a perfect radiator, that called the black body, that emit the radiant energy from its surface at the Q is given by, so that is known as, so that radiation, or which is considered as a black body, that black body which is radiate the heat energy, or which is considered as the emit the heat energy, and that emit heat energy or radiation, which is that heat which is considered as the Q which is given by, so that is black body emit the radiant energy, that is black body emits radiant energy in terms of radiation, that is the emits radiant energy from its surface, from its surface at a rate Q, at a rate Q is given by, and that Q, so that is understanding this concept with the help of the Stephen's law, and that equation which is nothing but here, so that is given by that Q is equal to A sigma T power 4, that Q is equal to sigma A into sigma T power 4, A into sigma into T power 4. So if we consider, so that Q is equal to A sigma T power 4, there are the different parameters, and that parameters which is considered as this A is nothing but, so A is the A is the area of the black body, area of the black body. Now next parameter, that is T, or T is the absolute temperature, or which is considered as A is simply the area of the body. Next parameter which is considered as T, and T is the absolute temperature at 0 degree Kelvin. T is the absolute temperature, absolute temperature of degree Kelvin. And next parameter which is considered as sigma, and that sigma which is nothing but the Boltzmann constant, and that is the sigma is a constant known as Boltzmann constant. Sigma is known as Boltzmann constant. So sigma is known as the Boltzmann constant, and that value which is considered as 56.7 into 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 9 watt per meter square, watt per meter square into Kelvin power 4. So that is with the help of to understanding whatever heat or whatever black body which is radiant energy, with the help of understanding the Stephen's law of the radiation. So that with the help of Stephen's law, that Q is equal to A into sigma T power 4. So that is considered as your heat or radiated energy, which is directly proportional to the absolute temperature power 4, that is sigma into T power 4, or the parameter A which is considered as the surface area of the body, and T is the absolute temperature. So if we consider that real body which is do not meet the specification of the ideal radiator and emit radiation at the lower rate than the black body, so that consider what is mean by the emittance, and that is the ratio of the radiation emission of the real body to the radiation emission of the black body at the same temperature, that is known as the emittance. And what is equation that which will be see here. So that consider here understanding the concept of this. So the ratio of the radiation, the ratio of the, or the definition which is corresponding to the what is mean by the emittance. What is mean by the emittance? The ratio of the ratio of the radiation emission of a radiation emission of a radiation emission of a real body to the real body to the radiation emission of a radiation emission of a black body at the same temperature, of a black body at the same temperature. at the same temperature, and this concept is known as, is called as the emittance, is called as the emittance. Okay, so that is the definition of the emission. So that is the ratio of the radiation emission of the real body to the radiation emission of the black body. So that ratio, which is nothing but the emittance, and that real body which is emits the radiation at the rate, so that consider as the real body emits the radiation, emits the radiation at the rate, at the rate, and that rate which is considered as, that rate which is considered as, and that formula which is Q is equal to epsilon, Q is equal to epsilon into A into sigma into T power 4. So that formula which is quite similar to this, Q is equal to A into sigma T power 4, and here epsilon is the average emittance of the surface, average emittance, average emittance of the surface. So this all phenomena which is considered as the radiation. So that summarize this lecture. So what is mean by radiation? So that radiation is the process that heat flows from higher body temperature to the lower body temperature, and which is considered as, that terms of radiation which is considered as all kinds of the radiation which is considered as the electromagnetic wave, and that emission of the radiation of the black body which is considered as that Q, and Q is equal to A into sigma T power 4, and here sigma is the Boltzmann, Stefan Boltzmann constant, and which is considered the value 56.7 into 10 to the power minus 9 omega into meter square, omega per meter square into Kelvin power 4. And that if we consider that the equation for the radiant heat transfer, that QR is equal to T1 minus T2 divided by R of R, and that equation we have to get clear that idea. So what is mean by the concept of the radiation. Now next lecture we want to see here, see the point with corresponding to the radiation. So that wave incident on the material. So what is the phenomena of the reflectivity, what is the phenomena of absorptivity, and what is the concept of the transmittivity of the radiation. So that point which will be seen in the next lecture. So thanking of you.